you didn't put
Protocol ba?
here at the login number or the small
Ang
one?
legal team niyo
At
sa
number
kumpanya.
2?
Kayang patunayan na si Messi
At
member
number
ng Spanish
2?
team.
Yeah, he
Number
lang
2.
from.
You said 2.
Ba't ba ginagawa ito ng ibang tao? Minsan ba,
I...
natanong mo na sa mga ex-husbands mo ba't nila ito ginawa? Alam mo, napag-isip-isip ko. Kung malungkot at malapit na silang mamatay, maiintindihan ko eh. Valid na dahilan yun.
Ouch!
Ang mapapala ng tao sa peking kasal.
Maraming ayaw magpakita ng lungkot. Kaya kahit peking kasal, kakapigtan nila.
Di malalaman namin kung malungkot ka at kasal.
Malalaman yun, sigurado ako. Makakayanan yung separation anxiety. Hindi ba yun ang dahilan kaya ka nagpakasal?
Done. Ate, your turn!
This one is
Kasi
all.
nasanay kang may separation anxiety. Kahit alam mo malulungkot ka pa rin sa bandang.
Write it in cursive way, since I write mine in cursive. If you don't, then that's not so fair.
Alam mo naman,
Oh.
unang gabi ng hari mo natin ngayon, di ba?
What? Maggie, oh. It's okay if you don't like na to write. I will write na lang. Akin na yung scotch tape po, please. Oh, here. I found the scotch tape.
What?
You write your name in this one now.
What is this for? Who?
For Tita SP.
Where's that? Where's that? Where is it?
The what?
The ball pen.
Sige, pag tayo na banyasi, we cannot live na anymore.
This one and where the
Last time we ate, I show your face. This one. The YouTube ban us for 1 month. I cannot live.
Great sad sad. One thing sad. Great sad. I can't put my name though.
Here, oh, tato.
Why she put her full name? Oh, she did. He gonna leave at the underwater? Disagree. Who's this bad? That's not the dream, that's a nightmare. Mama, who's this bad?
Tita P and Tito Ken. Tita S.
Who's that?
Adrian's auntie.
No, not a blue house.
Who chose that one? So who's turn to choose na?
Ate.
Okay. Close
Wait,
my eyes.
I forgot to do
I
something.
can see.
Who's next is this?
For Tita Perla.
My God, the perfect one. The stocking. How you get the stocking? It's easy. Oh, shit. Easy. Mine, the mommy.
Wait lang po. This one is for the last t-shirt present. Okay, see. Akin na.
Nalulunod ka ba? Para kasing nalulunod ka.
Panaginip lang.
Huwag ka mag-alala. Hindi ka maaabot dito ng malakas na alon.
Where's the culvert?
Hey!
No, you lock it. For sure.
Ah, Tito Archie is here na. Maggie, open the door, please! Bilisan mo, Maggie. There's a lot.
What's it? What?